Hi friends, welcome to Future Animations. In today's video, I will review new M1 Mac Mini 8GB RAM and 512GB SSD version. Apple recently launched 3 Apple Silicon based products, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro and Mac Mini. New Apple Silicon based Macs have M1 chip which is packed with astonishing 16 billion transistors. Mac Mini is the most powerful of the 3 new Mac models. New Mac Mini has 8-core CPU, which is 3 times faster than the previous generation base model Mac Mini. It is a huge performance boost. It also has a 8-core GPU, which delivers up to 6 times performance than previous generation Mac Mini. It has 2 Thunderbolt or USB 4 ports, 2 high-speed USB 3.0 ports, and 1 HDMI 2.0 port to connect a 4K monitor. Another monitor with up to 6K resolution can be connected via Thunderbolt port. On Geekbench, it scored 1729 in single-core performance and 7565 in multi-core performance. I also ran more RAM-consuming Cinebench benchmark. Mac Mini M1 completed 6 rounds in 10 minutes 37 seconds and scored huge 7703 points. This score is better than 12-core Intel X5650 processor. I played Asphalt 9 and it was a smooth gaming experience. In Final Cut Pro, the video rendering was very smooth and super fast. At a price point of $999 US, this Mac Mini machine is a right choice to invest.